Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today we are going to be stuffing our bill binder along with some subscriptions and then our cash envelopes. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to my channel and stick around for this video. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, first things first, let's go ahead and count up all this money. We should have $565 to work with today. So we've got 50, and then we've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80. So that was 380 plus 50. So that gives us 430, 440, 450, 460, 470, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. So we are at 495, 96, 97, 98, 99, 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. That's a lot of ones, y'all. All right, so we have the 565 we were expecting. Let's get to stuffing. So we are gonna start in our new bill binder. Y'all, I got my new envelopes in. Aren't they so cute? So if you missed my last video, we are stuffing a majority of this binder with prop money. The prop money represents money that is in the bank in our bill checking account. So I will be stuffing my husband's paycheck using this prop money because his paycheck is what normally pays for our bills. We are a little bit behind. We do like to be a month ahead in bills, but because of taxes and whatnot that went down last month, we are a little bit behind. So we have all the money for all of our bills up until cable. So cable, we only have $22 in here at the moment, and we need 32. So today I'm gonna be adding $10 into that. I am gonna put this regular cash in here, but after the video, I'm gonna go ahead and swap it out for prop money, and the real money will be going to the bank for this, but just for video purposes, I'm just gonna put the regular $10 in there now. So now we have $32, and cable is fully funded for May. Next up, we are going to be putting $20 in insurance. Insurance is our car insurance along with my husband's motorcycle insurance. And this is just pretty much to beef up our little checking account right now. So we're going to skip these ones today. We are going to be putting in $42 in taxes, and y'all, I have not been writing down over here what we are doing. So let me just fix that real quick. We have 32 in cable, 20 in insurance and taxes. So there's currently $87 in taxes, and today we are going to be adding 42. I think I'm going to go ahead and start doing the taxes in prop money as well. Just so I have this money in the bank accruing a little bit of interest to pay next year's taxes. So I might switch this over to, not 100% sure yet, but I think I might go ahead and do that. So we now have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So $139 in taxes. That doesn't sound right. Hold on. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 139. Something's up. I'll have to double check. There might not have been, it might have been 77 in taxes, but I'm gonna write 139 here, and I'll look back at this later. I'm gonna put a little star there. All right, so that is gonna be it for bills. We are gonna move over to our new subscription binder. All right, Jim, as y'all know, always gets $10, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and do this. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna do 10 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now in Jim, we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So $38 in Jim. Our iCloud, that is once a month. It is $3 for the month, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the $3 to cover that. And next up, we are gonna stuff Amazon. And I did create this cute little tracker for my yearly subscription for Amazon, because we are stuffing for our yearly membership. It is gonna be getting $10 today. So I am gonna go ahead and color in 2 of these Amazon boxes. So this isn't going to be due until July 2nd, and it is going to be $139. I'm actually going to go ahead. No, I'm just going to leave it. I'm trying to figure out if I need change or not, but I think I'll be all right. So we've got 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, $45 towards our Amazon membership. And then I am gonna go ahead and be putting $5 towards Strava. Strava is the running app that me and my husband both use. I did create 2 different trackers because our subscriptions are each due at different times. So his is the next due, and that's due in August. And each of these is $5 a piece. So I'm just gonna color one of these in. All right, so now, oops, losing the other tracker. So we've got $5 towards my husband's Strava membership. And that is gonna be it for subscriptions. And next is going to be our cash envelope binder. As always, both me and my husband each get $25. So now I have 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62. And my husband is also getting 25, and he is now up to 20, 40, 45, 50. Groceries. Groceries is going to be getting $200 today. So we're going to do 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200. So let's go ahead and put all this back in order. So now for groceries, we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 220, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So $242 for groceries. And y'all notice I haven't unstuffed any of these envelopes like I kind of said I was going to. And I'm just doing that right now to kind of get some things like figured out with everything and the prices going up. I just feel like this is what's going to work best for my family. So it is what it is. If I feel like envelopes are getting too full, I am going to go ahead and I'll unstuff them and put them towards savings challenges. All right, so we're doing gas. So I am at 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. I gotta spread these ones out. Let's just double check this. We're at 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Next up is pet care. Pet care is getting $40. So I'm just gonna put two 20s in there. So pet care is at 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, $60. And dining is getting $100. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. All right. I should have figured out a better way to get rid of all of these ones or spread them out more evenly, but it is what it is. Money's money, right, guys? So let's just double check that this is 100. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Uh-oh. Maybe I need to double check again. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, no, I was right the first time. Put that back. Well, if we know we are off somewhere, it is probably because of this dining envelope. So we'll come back here if need be. Next up is fun. Fun is getting $20. And we'll just do a 10, a 5, and 5 ones. All right, so fun now has 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, $65. And last but not least is miscellaneous, and that's going to be getting $5 today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, we did that right. And so total for miscellaneous is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13 in miscellaneous. All right, and that's going to be it for today, guys. It's kind of a short and sweet video. Tune in for Friday's video. We will be stuffing our sinking funds and our savings challenges. We have a good amount, and I'm going to be making some progress on some of those. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you tune in for Friday's video, and I'll see you then. Bye.